Hey dolls, today I am coming at you with a DIY video. This is how I transformed my old, ugly wooden desk into something much more shiny and glamorous. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let's get started with this makeover. So that's the paint that I use there. Bear Marquee paint in the color Joey Day Bear. Hope I said that right. And as you can see, it's a very beautiful light purple color. That is the foam brush, the roller brush that I used. That's just a basic old paintbrush. Screwdriver, some knobs to add to the drawer, and lastly, some sandpaper. So as you can see, this desk is really messed up. It's definitely going to need a really good sanding. So that was the first thing that I did. I think I'm all done with the sanding. This is probably as good as it's gonna get. I sand the top of the desk, and it looks not so great, but it definitely feels way smoother than it did before. I ended up putting some primer on this desk because it was much worse than I thought it was, and I just kind of don't really trust putting the paint on there without any primer. So just to be safe, I did put a coat of primer on there. So now it's time to get to the fun stuff, the purple paint. Found some small foam brushes, and they were so helpful in getting the legs of the desk, and just see how I'm filling in some of that paint there, trying to make it look a little bit more smoother. The paintbrush left a lot of streaks, so that sponge brush was definitely helpful. And here is the finished product. I'm so happy with this desk. I think it came out so wonderful, and it looks perfect in my living room, and I'm just super excited about it. Before I go, I wanted to show you guys the primer that I use for my desk. It is this stuff here, Kilz Original Primer. Sorry, it got kind of messy, you can't really see it, but I will leave a link in the description box to all the products that I use in this video. And this is just, it's an interior oil-based primer, and obviously it's in the color white. And I am so happy that I actually had this, because I bought this like a year and a half ago, and I completely forgot that I even had it, and it was just sitting in my closet. But it was definitely a lifesaver, because that desk was hideous. So, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your morning, afternoon, or night.